Hello guys, welcome to Let's Code It. In today's session, I'm going to show you how to install Python and how to install Visual Studio Code in your computer, or you can use in your laptop also. Okay, so this is my channel, you can see in my screen, and this is my Python series. Okay, where I already uploaded one of the video, and in the same series, I'm going to upload another video also. Okay, so let's check how to download Python. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to come here. This is python.org downloads release Python 370. So which Python version we are using in our Python series? We are using Python 3.7.0 version. Okay, basically Python 3 is there. Okay, so we are going to use this version, and first we are starting with absolutely basic, like a person who don't know anything about programming, that person can use this thing. Okay, and the whole series, and one by one I'm going to upload all of the videos. Okay, so this link I will give you in the description. Okay, what you have to do, you have to just go down. Okay, when you are scrolling down, so here you can see so many installers are available. If you're using MacBooks, you can use this. If you're using the Mac OS, so you can use this. If you're using Windows, you can use these. Okay, so I already done. So you have to just click here, and after that, when you're clicking here, it will download. So I already done this thing. You have to just download this. After that, you have to just, like I'm just doing. Okay, when you're opening this, okay, so this is your, because I'm already having this thing, so it is showing me this. So I don't want to modify, repair, and install because already it is working properly in my system. Okay, yes, so I'm not doing anything. So you can download Python from here. What you have to do when you are downloading Python, it is showing add path. Okay, you have to add variable in the path. Just you have to check out this box. Otherwise, it can give you error at the last because it is not able to find out where is Python loaded. Okay. Now the next thing, IDE. Which IDE we are using to write the code? So I'm using Microsoft Visual Studio. You can use any of the IDE. If you are having any other one, you can use that one also. No issue with that. Everything is going to work on that also. So I'm using Visual Studio Code and you want to use VS Code. So what you have to do, you have to just come here in the VS Code website, and after that, if you are using Windows, you have to download this one. If you are using any other one, Mac, so you can use this one also. Okay, I think you understood this thing. Okay, now this is for Python and this is for the VS Code. Now the next part. The next part, how can we check Python is properly downloaded in our system? So what you have to do, you have to just open command prompt. When you are opening the command prompt, you have to write Python. Okay, it will show you this thing. After that, you can write hello. You have to write print in the small bracket hello. You can see it is working. That means the Python is fully downloaded. Okay, so your Python is downloaded here. Now Visual Studio is also downloaded. So the step 1, download Python. Step 2, download Visual Studio. Step 3, just check Python is working properly or not. If it is not working, that means you are facing some issue. So if you are facing some issue, it is giving you some error, just give me in the comment section which error you are facing. So I will try to resolve that. Okay. Okay. Now the next part. How can we means like do the thing like how can we combine the Python with the Visual Studio Code? Okay. So this is this is our Visual Studio Code. So many codes I already written here. What you have to do, you have to come here in the extension. Okay. In the extension, you have to just search Python. Okay, when you are clicking in the Python, it will show you this. Okay, So already this extension is already installed here. Okay. So you have to just install this Python extension. IntelliSense Pylance, this extension, you have to just install this extension. When you are going to install this extension, you able to run the Python code properly. Okay, so first you have to install here. After installing, just what you have to do, just make a new file. Okay. When you are selecting a language, so you have to select Python here. Okay. Now you can write print hello, and you have to run the code. You can run the code from here also, or you can run the code from here also. Run current file in the terminal. Run Python file in the terminal. Okay, so always Python code is giving you the result in the terminal, in the command prompt, or you can do in the terminal also. Means it is showing here in the terminal. So if this play button is not coming in your VS Code, no issue with that. You can just right click and you can run the code. Run Python file in the terminal using that. Okay. So this was the introduction. How can you download Python, and how can you download VS Code, and how can you connect VS Code with Python. And Visual Studio Code is a very good IDE, very good editor where you can do the Python programming, you can do the C++ programming, you can do the HTML, CSS, JavaScript also. Many things you can do here. Okay, so this is very easy to use and very helpful for me. I am always using this. Okay, I hope you like this video. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and in the next video I will tell you about what are variables in Python, and different type of variables we will check, and what are the data types. Okay, so stay tuned. Bye, take care.